So we start out today's video with someone who has long, dark hair. And bam, beautiful ombre bob style. I really love the color on this. This is absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some more unbelievable hair transformations. Loving this gorgeous blonde bob style. Wow, followed by another gorgeous ombre bob haircut transformation. She looks absolutely unreal. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Ooh, layered bob haircut with a bottleneck bangs. I love the overall shape and texture of that cut. Very nice. So here we have someone with copper colored hair, and she switches things up with this mini bob style. And then we move on to someone who has long blonde hair. Stylist cuts the ends. Looks like he's doing some layers for this one. Ooh, wow, her hair looks beautiful. And then it looks like we have another big chop transformation. Oh, another stunning bob haircut with the middle part down the center. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.